What's up, guys? Ben Samulak TV here, tuning in. I got a success tip for you that someone shared with me a while back, and it's very helpful. First off, thanks for tuning in. I love you. You're very important. You're a very special person, and don't let anybody tell you you're not. But thanks for tuning in. Hopefully, this will be helpful to you. Minimums become maximums. This is a success tip. Your minimums become your maximums. So that is not a good thing. That's a bad thing. When we set goals, a lot of times we set our goals low. And your minimum, you could always, people, whether it's in your relationships, whether it's in your weight, your diet, your body, your health, whether it's in your job, whatever it's in, we always, for some reason, we always say, like, I want to at least maybe lose a pound a week. I want to at least take my kids out once a week to be with them. I want to at least, whatever it may be, in your church or in your hobbies. I just want to at least do this much. That least becomes what you do. You know what I'm saying? That minimum becomes your maximum. I want to at least make $1,000 extra this month. Guess what? You're only going to try to make $1,000. I got to at least work out once a week. You're going to just work out once a week. So for some reason, that whatever we set as our minimum goals is kind of where we land. So I don't know if you agree or not. That's fine. If not, that's you don't have to. But that when they shared that with me, I thought, wow, that's really true. That hit home with me. So we need to raise our goals, our minimum goals, higher. Okay. So and we've heard that, and people know that saying, shoot for the moon, at least you'll hit shoot for the stars, at least you'll hit the moon. And it's the same kind of concept, but when they said it like that, it really hit home with me. Your minimums will become your maximums. So set your goals higher. You don't want to have your minimums too low, because eventually that's where you're going to hit. That's what you're going to hit, your minimums. So always want to set your goals to achieve higher in life, higher than you think you can, because then eventually you'll reach those. And the other thing I wanted to share, just another, this is a extra side tip. Michael Jordan. He used to always want to set his goals to be, he always would challenge himself with those around him, his peers, and try to be better than other people, compete with others, and eventually he found out that was limiting him just to compete with others. He decided to compete with himself. This is what I heard. I don't know if it's true or not, but he decided to start competing with himself. And I think it's the same kind of concept of, raise your goals higher. So if you compete with yourself, then there's no limit of how high you should be able to go, because you're always going to push higher, higher, higher. And same with if you set your goals too low, you're always going to underachieve what you can probably do in your life, and you'll never really know your full potential. So you have to always keep your goals high. And so if you achieved this goal, why would you ever set your goal lower than that? If you achieved your goal at a certain level, you should always want to go higher next time, because you've already broken that barrier. Why not go to new limits, new heights, rather than setting that to become your new bar? Because that's as far as you're going to go then. Your minimums become your maximums. Thanks for tuning out. Hopefully that helped. I love you. Please tune in again sometime. Ben Samulak TV tuning out. Catch you next time. Bye.